Hey, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to UpveteUtopia, the go-to space for all things business and money-making. Today, we're delving into an exciting world, dropshipping and e-commerce. If you've been dreaming of running your own online store and making some serious cash, this video is for you. So grab your notepads because we're about to unlock the secrets to earning money through dropshipping and e-commerce. So, what exactly is dropshipping? In a nutshell, it's an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Instead, you purchase items from a third party and have them shipped directly to the customer. This means no upfront costs for inventory or dealing with the hassles of shipping. Let's dive into the advantages. First, low startup costs. With no need to invest in inventory upfront, you can start your online store without breaking the bank. Second, flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. And third, a vast product range. Since you don't handle the inventory, you can offer a wide variety of products without the burden of storage. Now, on to choosing a niche. This is a crucial step. Select a niche you're passionate about or one that has a demand in the market. Whether it's tech gadgets, fitness gear, or eco-friendly products, finding a niche will help you target the right audience. With your niche in mind, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it easy to create a professional-looking website. Customize your store, add your products, and don't forget to optimize for user experience. The heart of dropshipping is finding reliable suppliers. Look for reputable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu. Ensure they have a good track record for quality and reliable shipping. Now that your store is live, it's time to market it. Utilize social media, influencer marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic. Optimize your product listings with compelling descriptions and high-quality images to entice potential customers. Customer service is key in dropshipping. Be responsive to inquiries, resolve issues promptly, and maintain open communication. Positive customer experiences lead to repeat business and positive reviews. As your business grows, analyze data and sales trends. Identify top-performing products and scale your efforts. Consider expanding your product range or targeting new audiences to maximize your earning potential. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to earning money through dropshipping and e-commerce. If you're excited to start your entrepreneurial journey, hit that like button, subscribe for more business insights, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Remember, success in dropshipping takes dedication and strategic planning. Until next time, happy selling and happy earning.